Well, my name is Alfredo Olarte. So I've been a EFL teacher for more than 20 years. And today I'm sharing you some tips on this pedagogical exercise. So basically, we must stimulate the students' interest in responding those worksheets. I think it would be fine to break the ice with a phrase. I usually start with the phrase where there's a will, there's a way. When teachers create self-confidence in students, they can respond more effectively. I think one of the best ways to stimulate learning is just to be significant topics. With more significant topics, the students feel more motivated in doing those activities. We have the guarantee that the results are going to be quite better. That everything with due moderation. I think when the task is really moderated, students quite moderate, students have the disposition to respond in the best way. Okay, just 3 pedagogical advices to take into account. The first one is significant learning. Those topics, those subjects in which the students feel motivated enough to respond those tasks. The second one has to do with the rubrics. Those hints, indications, very clear as possible, where the students are not confused in responding. And finally, is sharing spaces for pedagogical production, for oral production. This is important. The students respond questions as spontaneous as possible. Okay, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to be with you. Bye.